In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk send in DocuSign. To get started, make sure you're logged into your DocuSign account, then head straight to your main dashboard. This is your home base where you can see recent activity and start new envelopes. From here, look for the option that says Get Signatures and click on it. This is the quickest way to begin preparing a document that you want multiple people to receive. Next, you'll need to upload the document you want to send. Click on the Upload button. A file picker will pop up. Choose the option to browse your desktop or your computer, and then navigate to the folder where your document is saved. Select the file you want to send and confirm. DocuSign will take a moment to upload the document and display a preview. Once your document is uploaded, it's time to add your recipients. Instead of adding people one by one, open the drop-down menu next to Add Recipient. From that drop-down, select Add from Contacts. This lets you pull in people you've already saved in your DocuSign contact list, which is ideal for bulk sending. A contacts window will appear showing everyone available in your list. Go through the list and click the checkboxes next to all the contacts you want to include. Take a moment to double check you've selected everyone you need. When you're happy with your selection, click Apply Selected. All of those contacts will now appear as recipients for this envelope. Next to each recipient, you'll see a drop-down that usually says something like Needs to Sign. Open that menu for each person and choose the appropriate role. They can be required to sign in person, only receive a copy, or simply need to view the document. Setting this correctly is important because it controls what each recipient is expected to do. Now scroll down to the email settings. Click into the subject line and type a clear subject so your recipients immediately understand what the email is about. Then, click into the message field and add a brief explanation or instructions. This helps reduce confusion and speeds up the signing process. When that's done, click on Next, Add Fields. You'll see your document with a toolbar of fields on the left. Click on Signature and drag it onto the document wherever you need someone to sign. Add any other fields you need, such as dates or initials, and make sure everything is placed correctly. Once you've reviewed the document and you're confident everything looks right, click on Send. DocuSign will now send your document out in bulk to all the recipients you selected, each with the role and instructions you've defined.